Very often in your models, you will need to represent numbers within a specific formatting. Representing them as text is not a valid option because you usually want to operate with these numbers later. So if I want to represent this 5 number here as a multiple and just type inside of it, I won't be able to operate with this cell anymore. As you can see, because Excel recognizes it only as a text cell. The proper way to do this is to assign a custom formatting to the cell while it is a number. We need to right-click on the cell and select Format Cells. Once we are there, we have to pick Custom, which is on the bottom of the page. Here, I can type any type of format. We can add a custom number of decimal places, a date formatting, anything. We need a format for a multiple, so we'll have 0.0x, which results in the required multiple format. By typing a custom format with zeros as we did, we can obtain any type of formatting for our numbers. And the best part is that Excel continues to consider these cells as numbers. For example, if I multiply the formatted cell by 2, I'll obtain 10. This proves that the formatted cell is still a number.